Hey YouTube! So I've decided that I'm going to sort out my eyebrows tonight because they look like a couple of funny caterpillars. And I know what you're thinking, oh, why don't you just get them waxed? Well, yeah, I could do that. But one, it costs money, and two, I have quite a thick, dark, hair growth, and I'll be honest with you, waxing for me is so uncomfortable, and I've always struggled with it, and I find it sorer more than other people might do. So I have started in the last couple of years I think, doing them myself. And I know what you're thinking as well, that's so risky, what if you tear your eyebrow off? It's fine. I'll show you what I'm going to be using. Sorry, I know I'm not looking at you. I see this camera thing. Right, so this here, Skin So Soft from Avon. It's moisturising hair removal cream. Oh, nearly dropped it there. And I'm going to apply that cream to my eyebrows with these little cotton buds, so that it goes on the areas that I want it to go, and without going all over the places that I don't. So let's try it. You know, I'm so out of practice from videos. I've not done them in so long, and I know I'm not looking in the right place, but I'm not bothered. Practice makes perfect, alright? So sometimes your finger can actually start being better. The cotton buds can sometimes be a pain, but I can kind of use them to tidy it later. Never rub in this cream, always dab it, because you don't want to rub it in because the chemicals in this burn away the hairs. So you need to be careful, really careful. Oh. Now time to take the cream off and just you can use hankies, you can use flannel, anything, just anything you want to take it off. And then you can see that the hair's going away and leaving that nice shape. Just make sure it's all the way. It's a bit messy, but it is worth it. Cheap and hassle-free, as long as you're careful, safe, read the instructions, you're well, that's that. Finished. I'm quite happy with the result, and I hope someone out there has learnt something from it, and you can try it yourself and see what you think. And if you do, let me know in the comments. Thanks a lot for stopping by and watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!